Stop waiting for interest rates to drop on their own, and start forcing them down yourself by using the seller's money instead of your own. A permanent rate buydown allows you to use a credit from the seller at closing to buy mortgage points that lower your interest rate for the next 30 years. Instead of asking the seller for a $10,000 price reduction, you should ask for $10,000 in closing cost credits to buy down your rate. A price reduction might only save you $50 a month, but that same amount of money used for a rate buy down can save you hundreds of dollars every month. This strategy effectively gives you a time machine to go back to the low interest rates of the past without waiting for the Federal Reserve to act. It is the most powerful negotiation tool in a buyer's market because it makes your monthly payment significantly more affordable without changing the purchase price. Most buyers, and even many real estate agents, do not realize how much more effective this is than a simple price cut. Visit changemyrates.com today so we can show you the side-by-side math on how a seller buy-down can save you a fortune over the life of your loan.